the wild woods, awe-inspiring, majestic, and increasingly vulnerable. So when we took inspiration for our ID Click Ultimate tiles, we captured its beauty in synchronized look and feel, but removed the vulnerability and replaced it with our Tektanium and rigid Composite Core Plus technologies to ensure unparalleled shock resistance and dimension stability. The result? Extremely durable, sustainably produced tiles with organic, tangible patterns that capture nature's splendor and preserve it at the same time. Tarkett ID Click Ultimate. Natural designs, ultimate performance.